Hey, welcome to my channel. It isn't a cooking video, it is a DIY tutorial, and today we're gonna make lemon framed wall art. Please let me know what you think about it and subscribe for more. I will appreciate it a lot. Enjoy!
Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer.